Hey guys, Jason coming at you again, Surviving Dad Life. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you guys your next summer cocktail. I went to the store and I wasn't even looking for anything special, and this jumped out at me. But Sunny D, you guys remember that from when you were kids? We called it Sunny Delight, but now they call it Sunny D. Makes a new flavor now called Rocket Pop. So I saw this and I was like, I bet I could make something interesting. So we're gonna give it a try. And I think this is gonna be your delicious go-to cocktail for the summer. And when 4th of July gets here, we won't have to call this thing a rocket pop. We're gonna call it the Freedom Drink or the Freedom Pop because it's red, white, and blue. So I love it already. Anyway, this is what we're gonna do. Get your shaker. If you guys haven't seen this before, I've done a review on this thing. This is my absolute favorite shaker. If you watch that video, you'll know that because my old shaker, I ended up throwing it off in the weeds back there somewhere. Anyway, we're gonna get our shaker. I'm gonna put a little bit of ice in this just to help dilute it. We're gonna do vodka. I like Tito's. I just recently got this thing and I love it. But we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of vodka. Okay. There's our 1.5 ounces of vodka. I need to get me a new one of these because I don't like this that much. If you get you a jigger, just a little tip, get you one that has pretty good steps in it to where when you're looking down from the inside, you can see the steps. This one, you can't hardly see it, and sometimes it's difficult to figure out what the heck you're pouring. Anyway, 1.5 ounces of whatever vodka you like. Blue Curacao. We're gonna do 1 ounce, which I think is whatever line. 1 ounce of Blue Curacao. Grenadine. Yeah, I know I don't make my own grenadine, but ka-chow. Oh, ding. Anyway, we're gonna do 1 ounce of grenadine. 1 ounce of grenadine. You guys already know we're mixing blue and red, so you know what color it's gonna turn out to be. Then we're gonna take our Rocket Pop Sunny D and we're gonna do 2 ounces of a Rocket Pop. Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna put our lid on here and shake it however long you want. I'm not an expert in this stuff. I just know you shake it to chill it and kind of pre-dilute it. Anyway, shake that thing up. We're gonna get us a little cocktail glass, whatever kind you like. Us dads aren't freaking scientific about it. There's your cocktail glass. So we mixed up our ingredients with the red and blue, so that's gonna be purple. Kind of a light purple, but it's kind of pretty. And there, we're gonna call our Freedom Pop cocktail. Cheers. Delicious. If you like a little sweeter drink, do 1 ounce of the vodka. You can just barely taste it when you do 1.5 ounces, so I think it kind of balances it out. Once again, for you guys or gals or whoever that don't like real forward-facing like spirits that come out in a drink, you like them a little sweeter. My wife absolutely loves this drink. She likes sweeter stuff. So if you like the sweeter drinks, give this one a try. And I promise you, if you're to make a big batch of this at one of your next parties or whatever, everybody's gonna love it. So when the summer hits, don't forget to try and whip up a Freedom Pop. and that's really good.